Oh shit. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I feel like a right idiot. This last 10 minutes I've been talking to myself. I forgot to hit the go live button. Oh, 8WT, hello. Oh, I don't believe this. I'm so sorry. I am really, really sorry. So, I'll have to rewind what I've just done. Oh, hello everyone. I don't believe that. Oh, I feel so stupid. Well, I'm not repeating everything that I just said. Hello, DJ Rusty Ross. Hey, J Fix. I'm so sorry, guys. I can't believe I forgot to hit the go live button. I do not believe that. 1-1, hello. Hello, Oscar. Hello, Ventru. I said hello to everyone before. Well, sort of everyone. Peter, Rockin' Robin. I think Sphinx was in here 3 hours early, so I don't know if he's here now. That's pretty It's not funny. Hello, Stephen. Hello. Oh, I feel so silly. I've just been ranting away to myself. Oh, you are still here. Oh, wicked. That's why people kept saying late today. I'm like, what? No, you're not late, Stephen. You're not late. And then somebody else put late today. And I'm like, what's going on? Oh, I did find it strange that the vote started before the stream started with no explanation. Yeah. So what we're going to do is the water damage switch first, and then I have got. I can't believe I'm repeating myself all over again and doing the actions. Just don't believe it. I've got a switch light here with a mod chip because I had another switch light where it would drain 1% per second, and I'd done an APU swap on it with the NAND, and it fixed it. It sorted it. Obviously, it's got different data on it, but it sorted the issue. I'm like, wicked. And then this one had a very similar one, but it drains 1% every, I think, 1 minute or 2 minutes. So I done an APU swap on this as well, and it's still the same issue. So I thought maybe if we read the fuel gauge status or whatnot and see if that helps. This has been used. I already used it on the other one, but because Hecate is supposed to calibrate the battery, right? Hello, Cabby the cabbage. Um, Whoops, did you fix the switch that was draining the battery quick? Yes, I did, JFix. One of them. One that was draining 1% a second. Andy, let me know what time tomorrow, and I've got an MOT at 10. Okay, so I've got to go to a meeting tomorrow at 9 o'clock, Stephen. So it probably won't finish till 10. So probably the best thing to do is let me know when you're home or whatever, and then I'll just come round if that's okay. But it's working perfectly fine. I've been using it again today. I've got to stop doing that though because it's not mine. But yeah, it's working absolutely spot on. All right, thanks, mate. What about the PS5 with the USB? Too many devices? No, I didn't fix it. Think I've cooked the south bridge because it was crackling when I was when I was reflowing it. It was crackling, and ever since then it's not turning on. So I took the south bridge off, hand reballed it, put it back on, and it's still doing the same. So I think maybe I've put too much heat in the south bridge. So that was one of the options in the votes to hand reball another south bridge if it's the 61GG one. Yeah, because I think that's all I got is 61GGs. But yeah, anyway, so this is a water damage switch. Oh god, I've got to go through all this bit again. Right, so it is, well, at the back here, it says it's upside down. X, which I thought was a T to begin with, water damage. And it's in relatively good condition. There's a couple of screws missing. That's there. That's fine. Port looks slightly separated. Yeah, and it draws nothing. But it's only 5 volts as well. And the tail insertion meter, oh, I guess I'll do it again for you guys as well. I'll do it again. Just for you guys. Oh, it's showing all green now. That's weird. It wasn't that a minute ago. Okay, well, I guess that's fine. Maybe there's a bit of dirt in the port. Yeah, sorry, there's no video this week. Thing is, all the switches I've got at the minute are all blue screens, and I can't keep uploading blue screen videos all the time. But I did do a blue screen, which was really interesting. I loved it. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. I've done such a good job on something, and I accidentally deleted the video. I can't believe it. I was gutted. I spent about 2 hours on it, and I deleted the video. Was not happy. I even tried to recover it using disc drill. Couldn't find it. It was gone. Thing is, I highlighted 4 previous videos that I'd done, and I thought it only selected the 4, but I didn't realize it selected the row underneath as well. And yeah, it's gone. Permanently deleted because the files were too large. Sad times. Oh. It must be very hard, isn't it? BT, I have a tiny bellyache at the min, so it's horror. Oh, bless you, Cabby. By the way, Cabby is my daughter, if anyone wants to know, so be kind. By the way, is that by the way that's supposed to be? I have a tiny bellyache at the min, so it's horror. Oh, bless you. Oh, it's getting warm in here. I only turned the heating on 5 minutes ago. Okay. Right, let's have a look. How badly water damaged are we saying? Oh no, I still got a screw at the top. Uh, BTW is short for by the way. Really? I thought by the way is BTW, not BTY. I hope you feel better soon, baby girl. It's by the way. Yeah, that's what I thought. See, Cabby, it's BTW. Bless her. Daniel. Oh, hello, Daniel. Oh, oh wow. Okay. So you can see the rust down there. This is a smoker's one because you can see that dirt, that dust is like that tar color. Hey buddy, I like BTY too. Okay, BTY it is. By the yay. I don't like the fact that it's misshaped as well. I hope that's not a blue screen. I'm gonna move my mic slightly out of sight. There you go. But we understand. Yeah, of course we do. Of course we know what it is. Well, I understood too. Oh, this is gross. Is this coffee spill or something then? Isopropyl alcohol's not gonna clean it. Oh, I did repair something earlier as well, which I'm quite happy about. It's a V1 unpatched board. Just needs an ultrasonic clean because I did an APU swap. I done not a swap. I've done an APU reball, RAM reball, and the EMMC reball because it was acting a bit strange. But I sorted it. Wow, this is probably not gonna work. I'm gonna take you down to the microscope. I think it's coffee. I think at least, yeah. So yeah, straight on the battery, some green stuff, liquid damage. Which is show us your brand new ultrasonic cleaner, please. I can't, it's indoors. I would have otherwise. But it's great. I used it yesterday. Absolutely love it. This is pretty bad. I wonder why it's not drawing any power, but that could just be a USB. no, because it said all green, didn't it? So it's all connected. Alright. Oh no, I thought that was a crease. Well, we're not really going to see much while it's inside, so I'm going to have to take the board out quick. That could be a massive issue. Are we okay down here? No, there's a bit under there too. Um, yeah, all right, let's just get this board out. Looks more like they tried to go for a swim with that switch. Looks a mess. Yeah, it does. It's disgusting. I did try start on an iPad 12.9 Pro today, not done one in a long time. Are they quite difficult to do then, Steve? 100% bad. Yes, it is. See that orange magnetic reball thing you have, Andy? Have you done any Southbridge or SSD controller reballs with it? The orange magnetic reball thing. Um, this thing, I haven't got a stencil for the Southbridge. I don't have a stencil for it. I don't know if the Southbridge fits in there, but I don't have a stencil. Otherwise, I was looking at stencils today for it. I've got this multi-stencil thing here, but they're not big enough. I've obviously got a Switch stencil and the APU stencil for the Switch. And I do have RAM stencils now, but I need to get more. Ah, it's me and you love. Oh, thank you, Cabby. I like that so much. Right, let's get this out. Let's get this out. Come on, I'm talking too much. Not enough work. So this is a V2 switch. Oh, jeez. That's clogged up a bit in there. Can't really see it very well. Yes and no. First time I did one, I messed up big. Oh God. But did you manage to correct your mess? Your mess up? Yeah. Daniel. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't done a reball with that thing. Do you know if it fits in there? Southbridge. Because I know you could get a very similar thing for the Southbridge, but I don't want to buy another lot when it can just fit in my standard one. God, this is so bad. I've got to figure out what's causing it not to power up first. Something's stopping it. I had a Switch Lite earlier that had no fan spin. That was a fun one to do. I replaced the ALJ chip or IC, whatever it was, that I usually change when it has 100% fan spin, and there was no change. Looked at the board view, and there happened to be another of the same chip somewhere else on the front of the board. So I was like, what? Change that? Actually, no, I was about to change it. Then I realized one of the inductors wasn't inducting. It wasn't short, if you know what I mean. And then I started taking the inductor off, and one side lifted up. It had broke. No idea how that happened. I think the magnet is the same for both Southbridge and SSD controller, but you'll need two different holders. Oh, that's sad. Oh, yes, I did. Well done, Steve. Good, good, good. I did a repair with you, did I? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Right, okay. So let's have a proper close up quick. Just a quick scan. What could potentially be the issue for no power? No, my microscope's frozen. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Got to sort my microscope out. It's been fine up until now. Hold on. Oh, oh no. Turning my face cam on and off. Wrong one. Right. Deactivate. Activate. You're being a pain again, aren't you? USB device not recognized. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Once it sorts itself out, it'll be alright. It shouldn't do it again. Right, we should be back. No, we're not. Oh no. I don't want you guys seeing this. Guys. Right, I think one of my ports have died on my laptop. Hold on. I think. No. Oh, shit. No. Yeah. Hello. You can hear me. Yeah, I think one of my ports have just died on my laptop. It's saying USB device not recognized, and I've swapped the ports on my microphone and it's working again. But now my. Is this going to work? Is this through USB though? Depends if it's laggy. Let's have a look. No, it's free Wi-Fi. It is that bad, trust me. Look, see, it's horrible. No, why is hang on, let me try clean the port. You never know. It's a bit of squirt of IPA. Laptop repair tonight? No. Oh, why? This is such a nightmare. I'm so sorry. What a bad. Right, let's try that. Right, are we in? Hang on. It's not making a noise. It's working though. Yeah, that's through Wi-Fi. I could connect my phone up via through reboot laptop. Do you reckon you guys would be patient while I reboot my laptop quick? It's not making a noise. Hang on. Hang on. Are we through USB now? USB device not recognized. Yeah, it's still saying it. Evening. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to quickly reboot. Hopefully, it sorts out the issue. Just keep refreshing. I'm really sorry. All right, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Right, right. Here we go. I don't know if it's fixed the port. Hi, Andy. What's happened? It's gone. It's gone. Pete Lock Tong. Pete has. I don't know, Ian. Oh, hold on. Right, it doesn't say USB device not recognized, so it might be working. Hold on a minute. Hold on, guys. Just gotta connect via USB. Right, it looks like it's working again now. Um, Let me just open up the app again. Hit play. We should be good. We should be good now. This is through USB. Yeah, that's better. Right, we're back in business. I'm so sorry for that. Ugh. Oh, now is my microscope working? Yeah, that's all good as well. Right, okay. Okay, we are back. Right. Anyway, sorry, so sorry about that. That was annoying. So yeah, we had a look at the top end, didn't we? What could be causing it to not power on at all, draw any power? Probably everything. So first off, I guess we could look at the fuse. Let's have a look at the underside. Oh my God. Everything is just caked. Everything is caked. So I think the best thing to do is clean all this off first. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's clean it off and see if it brings any life back into it. Here we go. Ah, got a big brush here. Remember, we are only getting 5 volts as well. Let's take the EMMC off. Ooh, okay. Right, this might freeze the scope again. I need to sort out the colors. Yep. Oh, this is so annoying. Ugh. The colors are all wrong. I swear it's the laptop. No, it's not activating again. Oh, I should have just left it. At least you guys would have seen it. I've got to keep disconnecting my microscope, then reconnect it, wait for it to load on my screen, and then I get it activate in OBS. Right, here we go. Is it going to work? No. I really don't know what's doing it. Oh, we're back. Right, let me quickly change the colors in here. Hold on. I've got to use the software instead of using my little remote. And auto brightness is a bad thing. It's not working properly. Auto brightness. No, I can't select it. Oh, right, I'm leaving it like that now. Might be a bit dark, but I can't do anything about that. Um, oh yeah, I was cleaning, wasn't I? Yeah, let's carry on cleaning. So how's everyone's week so far? Nearly Friday, Poets Day. I think that's probably would do it for now. Let me just dry it quick. Oh no, even the EMMC's dirty. Liquid damaged. Look at that. Don't worry, I will stream a little bit longer because of the technical difficulties. I need to get a proper PC, not a laptop. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. Just dry that. Okay. God, did they bath with it? Yeah, I think they did. I think they did. Busy week. Oh, really? That's always nice, though. Got a frog in my throat. Right, let's see now if we pull anything. Then we'll check for shorts if not. No, we get nothing. Oh, yes, we do. 15 volts. There you go, fixed. The port needs swapping. I think we should do that first before we carry on. 15 volts. There you go. Could have just thrown that in the ultrasonic and call it a day. What I have done is on the side here, I've charged a battery. This is a charged battery now. So we can see if we get a boot sequence. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, you can. Is it going to reboot? Is it going to reboot? Is it going to reboot? 52. Oh, of course it's not going to reboot. Ah, so what does that mean? The only way to tell is by plugging it in. 51. Please don't be a blue screen, honestly. Uh, it's going to be a fail today. Thanks, Cabby. Thank you. Um, thing is, it's so liquid damaged. The best thing to do is plug it in, innit? And have a look. Right, well, that's no good. That's damaged. I've installed a mod chip on this one because the NAND's corrupt, and I've tried to rebuild the NAND, but I kept failing it for some reason. It wouldn't launch one of the applications. So for now, this one's on hold if I find another APU, but I can't rebuild the NAND. It's easier just to do a blimmin' APU swap. It loads up Hakate and everything, but it just won't boot into the operating system. What's it stuck on? Hello? Oh, I see it. All right, let's plug it in, see what picture we get. If it's blue screen, I am so sorry, guys. If it's not, we're gonna have to look around the board. It might not be, it might just be a... No, it won't be a backlight issue, will it? Might not even work because of the water damage on the backlight connector. Oh, check for shorts first, usual suspects first. Yeah, I will do. I just want to see. Oh, great, the port's not working again. I think the first thing, has it tripped it? Oh, I think it's tripped it. Yeah, hold on. Right, is that sorted it? Nope. Oh, I have to leave it unplugged for a little bit. So while that's unplugged, I guess let's look around for shorts. How did these OLED boards get here? Go over there. Right, multimeter. Can I call you Dad in the chat? Yeah, of course you can. No problem. Like the serial number would be all zeros. What? You can rebuild the NAND, but it's mostly for modded Switch, from my experience at least. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to rebuild the NAND, but it keeps failing every time I try and build the NAND or something. Maybe the NAND's dead. I need to donor it. I don't know. Yeah, let's go to beep mode. You guys won't hear it. I'll zoom you in a bit. Yeah, I'll do. Right, let's check round BQ first. That's fine. Check the fuse. We know the fuse is okay. Yeah, that seems all fine. Now M92 area. Yeah, that's all fine. Actually, we do have a short. We have a short, and I think this linked to P13. Does anyone know what this goes to? This little one here goes to that resistor. Oh, that's not short, but this is P13. Yeah, I thought it was. So let's go straight to P13 and let's test this big cap. Nope, that's not short. So maybe P13 itself is. Um, so that goes to P13. Should I just take off P13 and see if it goes? Or I could inject voltage. Which ones would you want to see? Me just take off P13 or inject voltage? It's going to be hard to inject it there actually because it's such a small area. Unless I could find a short anywhere else. Where else is P13 joint to? They're fine. These are all filter-in caps. Hmm. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm going go now. A bit bored to watch. All right, thanks, Cabby. Take off the chip first before injecting. Yeah. Right, bye, Cabby. Look for the filters by P13. Thing is, I think these are all fine because I used the tail insertion meter and it was all showing up green. Yeah, they're all fine. Well, those ones are anyway. What about the one on the other side? I'm sure this is fine. Yeah, it's just that one capacitor there. Right, let's just take off P13 and see if it helps it. And I've got loads of PC parts. I'll donate you to build a PC motherboard and i5 8th gen CPU and graphics card in case if you want it. Steven, I'll message you. I'll message you after stream if that's all right, mate. Really appreciate that. Right, 440 degrees. Thing is, where this is liquid damaged, I might lower my temperatures a bit because I don't want it popcorning. Yeah, I'll go to 400 voltage. What about voltage? Look for the filters by P13, the little one. Yeah, I would. Did I not check that one? I think I did. Not a problem. Anything to help you, mate. Oh, I appreciate it. I wish I could help you in some way. Oh, I need my fume extractor on. My PC fan. It's taking longer because my temp's down. I might have to bump it up now. The board's warm. Let me turn up the temperature to 440 again. I had the real bad shakes earlier. Seems to be okay now. All right, P13 down. Let's see if that short has gone. I'll let you know if it beeps. Beep. Still beeping. Still short. It's still short. So it's not P13. Let me check that little filter that CG recommended. Yeah, they're not blown. No, that's not blown. And it's not short to ground either. None of these are short to ground. That's not short. That's not short. That's not short. Um, I think I might have to inject voltage. Or, yeah, that is short. 2.7 ohms, 2.6, 2.5, 2.3. The board is still hot. That's dead ground, 0.6. 1.8, 1.7, 1.6. Beep emoji, yeah, beep. There it is. Okay. I think I am just gonna have to inject the voltage, and I don't know where else the short can be. I, can it be the audio chip? I think something else was connected. No, no, it's not the audio IC. I remember something was short. It was because of the audio IC. No, that's all fine round there. Could it be where else was really badly damaged? Up here, wasn't it? This was extremely bad. Backlight IC. No, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine too. Up here, maybe? No. So what else is attached to P13? The APU, right? Yeah, go straight to the APU. Max IC. Okay, yeah, I forgot to check that. I don't know which Max IC it goes to. No, they're all fine. Yeah, yeah, they're all fine. What about the one at the front? Yeah, these are fine too. Um, that is connected to M92. So is that connected to M92? Yeah, so it could even be the M92 causing it, right? I don't know which side's ground. I know, was that a filtering cap? I don't know. Maybe it is just M92. Max, I see. M92 as well, possibly. Yeah, M92. Love that DJ Rusty Russ. All right, I'm gonna take the M92 off now. and then I'm just going to inject voltage after that because otherwise I'll be taking off all the chips and it's kind of pointless. Oh, okay. I see how that works. So there's two pins coming off of there. Right. I'll let you know if it beeps. Ready? Beep and beep is still there. Put P13 back on and change M92. But what, there's still a short though, CG. That won't make any difference, will it? So this resistor is which side's ground? That's the thing. I don't know which side ground is, top or bottom. If it's there, I could inject voltage onto that. If ground's top, hang on, let me get a donor one. Hang on. This one's a dead APU, but it's fine. Let me test it. So top's ground, bottom isn't. So I can inject voltage onto that resistor, which goes to oh, it goes to these MOSFETs. Right. Is there a short on the fuse then? Oh, there is. Yeah, the fuse is shorted. Inject voltage. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. I'll inject it there because it's got to be somewhere. One of these, I'm assuming, that's probably blown, or somewhere around here. But it's not. I already checked around here. This is all fine. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to inject voltage onto this cap because it's the biggest area, and hopefully something here should light up. I'm hoping it's one of these. That'll be nice and easy, wouldn't it? Right, okay, we'll do that. All right, inject voltage. Let's go. Just got to find my jumping wire. Here it is, my little voltage injection wire. Whoops, sorry. That's a bit big, isn't it? It'll be all right. Solder. It's way too big. Melt, melt. Right, think we're okay? Can't really see. It's in the way. I don't think it's touching the fuse. Uh, it is touching the fuse. I've got to adjust that a second. There. Is it touching that back? Very close to, but it's not. I'm gonna live with that. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't blow anything up. Right, so but it's the same copper pad. Oh yeah, it's the same copper pad. I could have just soldered it to the copper pad. Oh God. Stuff's just falling off my desk now. Right, so black on a negative. I know you can't really see much. Red on the wire. I'm gonna have to get the thermal cam. I've rebooted the laptop so all my programs are shut. I'm just gonna have to reopen it up again if it allows me to. Okay, hold on. Just gotta connect. Whoa, hold on, guys. Just gotta plug it in back to there. Very limited on ports, you see. I've only got three USB and one USB-C. Just getting the thermal cam out now out of my little pouch. See, little thermal cam, beautiful. And connecting it up. Let's go over to the thermal cam now. I mean, the thing with the fuse, it would be fine if it touches the fuse. Ah, okay. Right, so we're under the thermal cam. I've got my bench power supply set to 9 volts, so I'm going to change that. Where it's short to ground, I'm only going to do 0.50 volts, 500 millivolts. Here we go. See if we see anything light up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's drawing 326 milliamps. What is that? Where is that? Whoa. The port. It's the actual port, I think. Look at that glowing in there. I think that's the port that's short. Hang on, let's go macro. Is that just a... I was right then, yeah. What did you say then, Thinks? I've had a bad port once that was internally shorted. Okay, so all it is the port. Hold on, just got to put my thermal cam away. Yes, you were right, Sphinx. Or a blown fuse. Could it be a blown fuse? If a fuse is blown, it won't go through the board. Oh, flip cam. And we're zoomed in too much. Way too much. Whoop, that's way too high. Whoop. Pinch to zoom is not fun. Ah, that'll do. It's not focusing now, is it, because of this? Right, so I guess now is to take the port off and then see if the short goes. That's crazy though. What a weird case. I know. It's the port. Yes, it is the port. What? Let's have a look inside the port then. Hang on. What are we doing? What's going on inside you then, mate? Whoa. Oh. Okay, yeah. Look, we got a nice big pin at the back there on the side, and it's like a jungle in there. What? Can't really see in there very well. But yeah, there you go. Damn it. Should have inspected that first. Okay, let's just take this port off then. Swap it for a new one. What? Putting some weight down. There you go, nice and steady. It's gonna smell now, I know it is. All these boards have weird smells to them. Right, here we go. Shorted pins in the USB port. Mushrooms? Yeah, there's mushrooms in there. Oh, there you go. I'll tell you what this one smells like. Hold on. Oh, um, don't know. Wax crayons, I guess. Yeah, it smells like wax crayons. I haven't got my fume extractor. Oh, damn, I'm gonna have to turn that on quick. Oh, that's smoking too much for me. Whoa. Why is that smoking so much? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on. Where's my negative leak? There it is. PC fan going up to 8.5 volts. There you go. Now the smoke shouldn't go in my eyes and up my nose. That is really smoky. You guys can't see it, but that's crazy. Whatever's in there's burning. I usually just breathe those fumes. I've only lost 40 IQ points. Oh God. No idea how much I've lost then. This iron's not hot enough yet. Look at that. Look how badly oxidized this is. I think I need a new tip. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to quickly tin the new port up. I've got to move my microscope a second. Hold on. Right. Right, the new port will be there. Remember, this is going in the ultrasonic cleaner afterwards, so I don't care how fluxy the port gets. Well, I do to an extent. Oh wow, that didn't really take much solder, did it? Now the back pins. Somebody made a good suggestion. I don't know if they're here in chat. Is when I did that trace repair video and I bent the wire backwards to reach the back pins, somebody suggested to actually bend one of these pins down and then you could solder straight to it. That's quite a good idea, that, isn't it? Well, it made sense to me anyway. I'll try that if that happens again. All right, back over to here. Here we go. I clean the tips with paper when they're like that. Oh, clean the tips with paper. What, tissue paper? Rice paper? Lovely cold solder joints. I don't know why they always go grey like that. Is it because it's mixed with leaded and unleaded? Doesn't look very pretty though. The only way I could sort that out is just adding a bit more flux and tap it with the iron. See, now it looks shiny again. I don't mind, it's just a bit of a hassle. Should be shiny straight out the bat. No, I didn't, DJ Rusty Russ. Good shout, but it's too late now. I've done it. No, I didn't check to see if the short had gone. Damn it. Let's quickly check now. If not, I'm gonna have to pull that off. All right, beep emoji. Ready? No beep. That's it. We're good. No beep. Beep. No beep. Beep. Good. I got lucky there. Very, very lucky. Now let's put on. Whoops. Let's put on the M92 back on. I'm gonna leave the USB P13 off for the minute. Where's the dot? Is it there? Or are you there? Damn it. Damn it. Which way around does it go? I can't be bothered to clean it. That way. Let's look at a donor one. Nope. Oh no. This one. Ah, top left. But which way is the right in? Ah, that way. Okay. So it's the other way around. Dots there. Oh, okay, we're good. Right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, for God's sake. Right, here we go. Oh no.
R3Aper 199 subscribed to the channel.
Hello, Reaper. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to SER. Don't think that's on straight, is it? Wait, is that even on? That's well off. There we go. This one's being a bugger. Just a little bit more upwards and we'll be good. There. Okay, now we're on. Yeah, that's all fine. I haven't knocked any capacitors over. Oh, is that a bridge? That's so hard to see. No, I think it's just flux in it, or isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, that's fine. Right, let's try it. See if we get any readings on the ammeter. What I don't get, oh yeah, I was going to say, what I don't get is why didn't it read anything on the ammeter for a short? But and all the pins, what it showed it all green on the tail insertion meter. I really don't get that. Anyway, and it showed. Oh, has it actually destroyed my charger? Has it actually destroyed my charger? No. So it's still not working. I don't understand. P13, no, that is, it will still work without the P13 CG. It still works without that chip. Hang on, let me check my BQ. Slip, yeah, fuse. Ah, hang on. Yeah, that's all soldered on fine. It's not going to be that, is it? Oh, oh. Well, there you go. What is going on there? Why did that not solder down nicely? Don't believe that. Right. I obviously didn't put down enough pressure. Okay. Quick reflow it is. I know it happens. Fuse will be okay, yeah. I found that if the fuse blows, it still gets a reading. Now I've got to be careful I don't melt the port. Did that solder there melt? Yeah, they're solid now. Yeah, it's fine now. I didn't see that back solder melt though, so I am going to reflow it again until the back one goes. There we go. Yeah, that is definitely a solid port now. Reflow time. Yeah, it's another thing that I keep doing a lot, isn't it? Reflowing. Okay, so bottom looks okay. It doesn't look too badly melted. Looks right. Do we get a reading this time? Yay! Oh no, what is it doing that for? Oh no. Flux in there? Bit of isopropyl alcohol? No, something's still causing it to short. And on that side. Whoa, hello Spec 360. Hello again. So, what could be causing that this time? Check the fuse. I will check the fuse anyway. Let's have a look. Oh, piss off. Hang on. My microscope's frozen. Again. Why? I don't know. Don't you have a USB breakout board? I do, David, yeah. Oh, no, not a breakout board. No, I don't have a breakout board. I do have a tail insertion meter. Uh-huh. Is it the other switch? No? Great, now it's going to be overexposed again. Nope, it's frozen again. Oh my God, I give up with this thing. Sorry, I must have accidentally hit my mic. Sorry. Sorry, I must have hit my mic trying to mess around with my microscope, trying to sort it out. I'm missing a resistor. Fuse is fine. The end cap on that capacitor's fine. Whoa, that come off well quick. Jesus. Yeah, I know, thank you. Yeah, I'm back now. Sorry. There you are. Here I am. Sorry. I accidentally knocked it while sorting out the microscope. I can't even see. That's better. Oh, I got two capacitors on there. Oh, there's the other capacitor. I mean resistor. It was there all along, look. It's hiding. Oh no, now you're going blurry. There we go. Get off. There we go. Oh, geez. Hey, I have been meaning to mention that I used to use that mechanic tail insertion tester, but I found that the Quanley iBridge A3 is better for the use for my use case. Oh, really? I'll have to look into that. I mean, the tail insertion meter is good, but it's for me, it's not 100% accurate unless I accidentally bent that pin while plugging it in. Right, we should be good. Now, are we going to get a normal reading on the ammeter? No, still doing it. What I don't understand is when I first done it, it was fine. So that's without the NAND. So it's not the NAND issue. Hmm. This is a tough one. That is still a short. See, All right, I'll put P13 on. It won't make any difference. I've powered up switches without P13 on before, but I'll put it on CG just for you, mate. Hold on. Oh God. And if it does work, then I apologize massively. But it's not going to be P13. Right, that's on now, okay? Right, thank you. Thank you. I've got to move that mic away from me in a minute. I keep touching it. Sorry. Thank you. Right, you ready, guys? I'll read out the diode readings in a second. Oh, great. Now it's dead. I think there's flux on everything. Everything's just sticky lately. Even this is sticky. Right, try it again. Why is it dead now? Oh, it's not that side. 15 volts. Now it's not. Oh my God, what is going on? Why now is it not reading this side, but it is this side? Right, tell insertion meter. Let me see if it's reading all green for the diode readings. Hey Andy, when you're using bench power supply on a switch, what values are you using? I have 5 amps and whatever when you're using oh, yeah, look, all green. So that's all fine. And as in as a charged battery, John, is that what you mean? Line 17 is wrong, is it? I've got it flipped round the wrong way now. Another giveaway board. No. Line 17. Let me put it back to the other way. I think it means the battery emulation. Ah, yeah, I have it on 4.2 volts, 5 amps. Line 17, where's that? Hold on. 0.75. Was that too high? No worries, John. So, CG. Oh, what? Now it's working. I reckon there's probably something along the line. They're going to go to point zero. Yeah. So but it's jumping at point 0.3 as well. 0, 0. I think it's ready to be tested. Whoops. Let's try it with a battery. This is charged. Well, I think. Okay. 48. 22. That's a low battery reading, right? Or not? Yeah, that's a sign of a low battery. Maybe this isn't charged. Maybe it didn't charge enough. It was just a fluxy port. Yeah. I think that's just charging a low battery. I thought I charged this bloody battery up. Oh well. Maybe I didn't. Let's try it in. Is this the donor one? Or is this the one I'm working on? Yeah, this is my tester chassis. Oh. Oh, CG as well. I'm sorry. I don't know how, but putting that chip back on did kind of make it work again. But I will still show you that even without the P13, it will still power on. Even without the um, M92, it'll still power on, but you just can't power it on using the charger. All right, here we go. I'll plug it in. Yeah, all right. Stop smiling, CG. I'm sorry. Right, ready? Are we gonna get a battery? Of course we don't. But it's rebooting. Right, okay. So we've got a backlight issue, but it has just rebooted. Bad screen. Nah, this is my tester chassis. Yeah, this is my tester chassis. This one works. But there was a hell of a lot of corrosion near the battery, the backlight IC, wasn't there? If you remember correctly. If you can remember anyway. Hell of a lot of corrosion. So it's probably eating at that chip. Man, I had that fixing emoji ready to go. Well, it's sort of fixed, but not quite. Rebuild time. Unfortunately, yes. And it was severely corroded there. I think that one was the massive corroded one. I'm just going to give it a reflow first, just to see if that helps. If not, I'll get a new one. Whoop, that was a bit of a push. Annoying thing though, if I read the values in diode mode or something, they will read fine. That's what's annoying about it. Alright, let me connect it back up again. See if we get a backlight. Because on last stream, didn't I fix a backlight issue as well on another switch? So I like these ones because it's not just reballing the APU. Oh, oh, hold on.
CGX super chatted £8 and 36 pence. Unfortunately, I am not always right, but sometimes I am rolling on the floor laughing.
Thank you, CG. I really appreciate the €10. Yeah, but I think you're still wrong, and I will prove it. I will prove it. See, now we're getting 5 volts. Oh my God, what is going on? Well, it's still powering up. It's definitely a port issue still. Still rebooting, but I do see the screen. Don't know if you guys can see it too. Oh, I got a message. Nintendo account. Link Nintendo account. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you can. I don't know. Anyway, that didn't work. We have got a display. But CG, I will prove you wrong, mate. Honestly, change backlight IC. Yeah, I am gonna do it. I am gonna do it. Hang on a minute. It's not the backlight IC. It's not the backlight IC. I know exactly what it is. I know exactly what it is. This is why you need to make notes on where you see water damage. I will, CG, don't worry. As soon as I get this working, piss off! No, it's done it again! It's frozen again! Have I got a bad cable for my microscope? I might buy a new microscope cable. I think maybe this one's dodgy. Freeze. Alright, back again. It might be when I keep. No, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. It's just weird how I never get this issue when I'm direct powered, but as soon as I use my laptop to power it and for the feed. Yeah. Yeah, so we had corrosion on here. I think it might be this. Maybe not. It don't look too bad, does it? In there it does though. See it? Is that burnt, maybe? Has it been eaten away? Do you reckon I should change the backlight IC or the connector first? Kind of a chaotic day today. It is, honestly, Oscar. It's just not going good for me. I need to really investigate what's causing that. So what do you reckon? FPC first? Change connector? Hang on. Yeah, that's... I don't know. I mean, it looks okay. No, it doesn't look okay at all. Okay. All right, I'll change the connector first. I'll try and get the correct angle. That'll do, won't it? A bit bright. I can't adjust that though because my microscope's annoying. I mean connector. Yeah, I know FPC is connector. No, JFix doesn't look healthy at all. This is one tricky board. But yeah, I bought 22 OLED boards. I've already repaired one of them and it had a Wi-Fi error issue, but the Wi-Fi was working. As soon as I changed the Wi-Fi chip, the error had gone. So that was a nice easy one. Still involved reballing, which I didn't really want to do. Oh wow, look how dirty that is. Make sure I clean that off then. Solder. I hope it wasn't too expensive. No, not really. It worked out to be £18 a board. Mm. 3D microscope. What's one of them? Is that the one with like the display on them? So I'm trying to look for the donor board that I used. But I can't seem to find it. Is it this one? Yeah, it was this one. Okay, never mind. Let's swap that out. Oh no, that looks terrible. That's all burnt up. Oh, for God's sake. Oof. We're lucky. That one's slightly burnt. Not really going to use that one. Sorry if you could. Oh no, you can't. Oh, hello, Frozerino. Trying to find a decent connector, man. There you go. I think I've got one. If it's the same. No, it's not. Is it the same? That's the OLED board. I have 20 million boards and most of them have got the connectors missing. Aha! Found one. Okay. Right, here we go. Nope, wrong end. Silly me. There you are. Look at that fresh connector. It has a lens you could slide to see things at an angle. What? Never heard of that. Hello, Sean. Sean Cosway. Hello. Welcome. This is a water damage switch. Went from not drawing anything to having a short, and it was inside the port, and then some other weird issues. And now there's no backlight, but there is a display. Don't know if it docks yet though. I think the power button connector is the. Oh, you're joking. So there's me looking for this exact one, and the power button one's the same. And yeah, it is. It is exactly the same. I can see it now. Oh, oh well. Don't even know if the Joy Cons work, if the connectors are fine. Bloody hot. Trying to pull the tab back before I put it on. Oh, that's fine. I'll do. Get off. Stuck. There you go. That looks straight to me. Ouch, it's getting hot. Should jump in its position. Well, it should, but it's not going to. Think that's okay? Give it a little nudge to make sure it is soldered. Yeah, they're fine. Fantastico. Oh, how much we talking then, JFix, for one of those microscopes? Flip cam. There you go. All right, do we get a backlight? I'm going to say yes. If not, then it will be the connector next. Sorry, the IC. 400 on AliExpress for a full setup. It's quite pricey. Um, yeah, there's a little bit. I don't know why I plugged the battery in already. I've connected. I don't look right. There you go. Oh, right, we're gonna get a display. Please, please. I want to show CG that it will work without a P. God damn it. Forget the ammeter. Let me choose it without. I don't know what's going on. Oh, there's still no backlight. Still no backlight. You see the display. Yeah, I see it. Touch isn't even working. Well, it was working earlier because I was pressing stuff. All right, still no backlight. Why is this stop working though? That's the thing. My ammeter's not working. It is that side. Oh, it's just dirty inside. Might have damaged the connector in there. Yep, that connector needs changing for the touch game card reader. I've damaged it, but I'm not too fussed about that just yet. I just need to get this backlight working. Whew. Water damaged and a half. Oops. Yes, as well. Oh, can you try use solder paste instead of solder when you replace components? Uh, Never tried it to be fair. Don't know how much of a mess it will make. Sorry, that was me vaping. Is it me or do one of those balls look missing? Looks like there's only 8 balls. There's one missing there. Yeah, look, see what's going on there? Look, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9 there's missing. Look how corroded that is. I think that's the issue. And reflow didn't even sort that out. Let's have a look. Give it a quick clean. Is that eating away? It has. I think it's eating away at the pad. Yeah, it is corroded. And let's get some fresh solder on it. Fresh soldier, fresh soldier. Might just be really badly oxidized, or I don't know. I'm just hoping. Yeah, it's eating it away. I'm gonna have to do a jumper wire, I think. Let me zoom in. Let me try and clean it up and zoom in. It was heavily corroded down here, really bad with water damage. Wait, is it still there? I think it's still there. It's just very, very corroded. It is still there. Oh, it is still there. Bloody hell. Ah, doesn't look healthy though, does it? Yeah, there you go. We're back. Let's add a bit of solder to it just to try and unoxidize it. A bit of flux might help. A bit more solder on my iron. There we go. It's not taking very well. Ah, there you go. Done it. We revived you. No, we haven't. No, we haven't. I've burnt all that flux. I don't know what it's doing. Is the pad okay or not? Obviously, it's bridged. Don't think the pad is okay. Wick it off. Yeah, I'll wick it off. Let's have a look. Yeah. I just want to see if I could try and see if the pad was okay. Oh, need to cut this off. It's used. No, I think the pad's gone. Wait, are they connected? Are they supposed to be connected? Even that end cap's there's gone. It moves. What moves? The heart is because it's still there. Lucky, trace repair. Yes, you have to do a wire. Yeah. Are these two joint? Does anyone know? That middle one there and that end one. Because I don't know if I've accidentally scratched the surface and now it's joint. Let me see if I can wick it away a bit more. See, my microscope's really close. I can't really get my hand under there. Oh, yeah, it moves. Yeah, I've moved the capacitor. Yay, lovely. Join now, but they shouldn't. Oh, bugger. Check another board. Yeah, I should do, really. It's their joint now. I think I'm screwed. All right, hold on. I'm gonna have to try and separate them. Don't worry about that move capacitor at the bottom. I don't care for that at the minute. Oh, okay, that is the pad. The pad's basically come away. So I am just going to do a wire then. I'm going to pull that off and I am going to do a trace repair, but I'm going to have to take that capacitor off because it's eating away anyway. Move that cap back and I'll do a jumper wire from there. Or no, I could just do one from there to there, but I'm going to replace that capacitor anyway. Yeah, let's do that. Let me try and tidy this area up a bit. Oh, no, CG. Okay, thank you, CG, for coming in, mate, and thank you for the donation. Really appreciate it. I hope you sleep well, and I didn't get to prove you wrong, which is annoying, really annoying. Yeah, have a good night, mate. Thank you. Right, that's looking a lot cleaner now, isn't it? Before I do put the capacitor on, I am going to grind away at that trace. And tin it up. Why is my flux burning so quick? I need to get a donor board for that capacitor. I'm going to take the capacitor off camera. Do you guys reckon I should have some background music or not next time I stream? I don't know if the silence is too much. No music. Oh, okay. Because I tried to make my mic more sensitive so it picks up noise, but it just won't. Oh, I think that's the wrong capacitor. Oh no. I've got a hack board here and it's a slightly different layout. I pulled the wrong cap off. I kind of like a little bit of background music. If things freeze, it kind of lets you know the stream is still going. Yeah. All right, now it's trace repair time. Oh, this board's too hot. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. No, I can't touch the board. Hold on. Can't really see what I'm doing. It's very dirty. Well, it's solid anyway. Alright, I think that's okay. Tweezers are dirty. Can't get the angle. There. Yeah, I think that's good. Think that is a solid trace repair there. Just got to add a little bit of solder mask just here. I think that's okay. Oh, sorry. Hang on. Definitely better to hear what's going on personally. It's a bit of mixed reviews on that. You can add your camera over the microscope so we can still see if yeah, there is that too. Yeah, but you'll only see the top of my head because yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that next time. Why not solder the wire to the end of the cap? Because I just want a really stable wire. I don't want it to have it like coming off of there and then going round and then just flapping about everywhere. I want it short as possible, if that makes sense. So let me just get some solder mask. I don't know how this is going to work because it's such a small area and my tweezer tips are very fine, yet it still looks massive compared. See, it's still too big. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. And now I've lost my curing. Where's that gone? Where's my UV lamp? Oh, right in front of me. Never mind. Oh, I got wires everywhere now where I was trying to sort out my mic earlier. Oh, right, here we go. Curing it now. Ugh. Oh, I need to stand up. My bum's getting numb. The centre pad is ground or no connect. I don't know about the centre pad. No idea. The tribe has voted no music. Well, no music it is then. Sorry, guys. To be fair, I wouldn't know how to put well, I know how to put music over the top, but I don't know if I've got enough CPU power for that as well. It's only a i5 I think I've got in here. i5 11th gen. Sorry, just curing. I'm gonna do it just for 1 minute because I think that's all it would need. And then we have to reball another backlight IC. Ooh. Okay. Right, that's all cured now. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think that's good. I think I need to get some of that solder off that other pad though. Don't want it on there. Get off, get off, get off. There, that'll be all right. Right, now it's reballing a backlight IC. Well, let me find one off the donor board. I should have one. This one? Yeah, look, first one I pulled. Oh, wait. Well, that looks a bit battered. Do you reckon that'll still work? Do you think the chip's talking to me? Ugh. That would still work, right? Let me look for a fresher one. They're the same as switch lights too, aren't they? That's a switch light board. Is that the same? Does that say Don't know what that says. That says EU5. Are they the same? Please test the center pad to ground for continuity. Okay, Oscar, I will. Also be careful with copyright and music on YouTube. Yeah. So is the switch light backlight the same as the normal switch? Oh, I do like for like anyway. Let me look for another one. Nope, that's gone. It's an OLED board. This one. This one looks okay. What? Why is that slightly different? I don't know. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. See, that one's chipped as well. I think it's because I just throw them in my pile. How hard is it to find a backlight, man? This one? That's chipped as well. Come on, man. That one's been knocked off, but is it okay? No, that's slightly chipped. No, that one's gone. Switch and lights ICs are different. Oh, you little shit. That's annoying. All right, well, I'm gonna have to use a chipped one because they're all chipped, which is annoying. That one looks really badly chipped. Oh man, I swear I had more boards than this. I might have to. Oh, I'll choose this one. No, that's too chipped and corroded. This one. I'm going for this one. I don't care what you guys say. That only looks like surface chip. It's not gone through. Hang on. I've got two boards in front of me. Why have I got two boards in front of me? What? I've got two boards in front of me. Oh, two donor boards. So, this one a better one? Yeah, there you go. That one looks okay. Bit rounded off. Okay, we'll go for that one. And it says, too. Right, for Oscar, I've got to test the center pad. So let me do that quick for him. Right, I'm testing it in diode mode. Hey up. Hang on. Got leads everywhere. Actually, I'll try it in ohms mode. Center pad Oscar is reading open line. So it's a no connect. Oh, but that's reading open line too. So's that. Oh no, that's in continuity, that's why. Right, middle one is not, it's not ground. I can't get a reading on it because it keeps going up and then stops. So I think it's attached to a capacitor. Let me try it in diode mode. It doesn't read in diode mode. I don't know then. Maybe it is a no connect. I'm not getting any readings. Nothing in continuity. While we're here, let me check diode mode on this one. 0.068. Yeah, that's normal. So my wire's fine. All right, reball time. I think I'm a bit close now. You guys see that? Can you guys see that chip? A tiny chip there. It's Diddy. So small. So small. Oh, this is sticky as well. Crush. There you go. Try to get a bit closer. Yeah. Oh no, where's it gone? It's disappeared. Cough, gone. Yeah. If that happened, I would cry. Do you want to see my capacitor graveyard? How many capacitors can you see in my gap? You can't really see nothing. There's one capacitor in there. Any more? No. Very dirty. Anyway, sorry, I'm waffling. What's the one for? Oh, Christ. Oh, for God's sake. Think that's lined up. I'm gonna have to straighten my. Nah, see it's slightly out. And there's dirt in there. Get out. Get out. Damn it. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Or is that dirt on the IC itself? That might be dirt on the IC. Yeah, my stencil's fine. Why is it so dirty over there? It's not even a line. What? I've lost it. There we go. Oh, that'll do. If it doesn't take to that top one, then it's my fault. One capacitor. Oh right, yeah, one, yeah, just the one. Way too much. Christ. So it's a no connect. Now we know even if it shorts to the new trace, it would not cause a short to ground. Yeah, I'm guessing it's a no connect because I'm not getting any readings. Easiest way is to look at the board view. Yes, Peter. Reball time. Annoyingly. Please stick, please stick, please stick. Oh, well, it's stuck to the stencil, that's for sure. Yay, we're safe. Just got to reflow that because it doesn't look too good, does it? But then again, the angle of the microscope don't help. Beautiful. Oh, you do have the board views. No, don't feel dumb. It's fine. Try being blonde. Then you'll know what dumb feels like. Alright, I think that's clean, right? Is that clean? Guess so. It's an isopropyl bath. I'll let me quickly tidy up my stencils. I don't need them now. All this just for one blimmin' switch. Alright, where is the backlight I see? There. That'll do. I can't read what it says. Is it that way? I know the big circle was there, but it's that way, right? I think it is. If I had the text up, it would be easier. I'm pretty sure that triangle corresponds to that circle. It's kind of hard now because of the wire is in the way. I'm gonna have to flow this really gently. Just there. I'm just going to flow it so slowly. You can find pictures online for a bit of reference. Yeah, I know. Here we go. Heating it from a distance to begin with. I've even got a board next to me I could just refer to. All right, I'm getting closer now. Are we going to see it move? I think it just moved there. Pretty sure I saw it jump. Only a fraction, but it'll be enough. Now, for blast. I think it moved again. All right, we're good now. Yay! That looks right. Don't like that chip on the side though. All right, let's test it, I guess. Hopefully it works. I really hope it works. Right, that connector does feel a little bit fluxy, so if it don't work the first time, I need to change that connector too. Then I'll have to clean it out. So just turn this light off so you, well, that doesn't really make a difference. Ready? Please. Oh, oh yes. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Yes. There we go. Oh, and touches. Oh, touches on and off. Oh, feels like there's a dead zone. Yeah, there's some dead zones going on. Why is that? I think it's because my connector's damaged. But yes, ta-da! Great work. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you guys. Woo! But why is touch being funny? I think it is because even this is still fluxy. All right. Oh. And I'm gonna do something to prove CG a point. So if you guys see him in chat again, all right, tell him. All right. Is that could you go? Oh, please. 22 OLED boards. I will do one OLED board. I will do one OLED board. Right, I'm going to take off the P13 and I want to show you that it does still boot with no P13 on. He believes I think that it won't. All right, so I'm just going to take that off for now. I need to change the touch connector anyway, so the board's out anyway, right? But yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Ooh, fixed. I am going to put this in the ultrasonic too because the amount of damage it had, so much liquid damage. So what was it overall? I forgot what it was. It was shorted port and Backlight IC had been eaten away, and my trace repair worked. Right, there you go. I've taken off P13. You see it there. Waiting for it to cool down a bit. Fixed, yeah. Happy days. That is still far too hot to stick in. And while that's cooling down, let's look at the connector to see if I have damaged it. I think I have. Yeah, see it? That one little bit there. I don't know if that's water damaged or I done that. That doesn't look right. Or does it? Or is it just a bit dirty? I think that's okay. It might just need a clean. Oh no, that's fine. I haven't damaged it. Shorter port, fluxy port, corroded backlight connector, and corroded backlight IC. Okay, awesome. That sums it up lovely. Yes. Right, so now, well, I think that connector's fine. Do you know what? I actually think it's this, the game card reader. I'm gonna swap it out. So I don't think that's my original one that I used for testing. This one might be. Let's try that. Right, and I want to show you guys that it does still boot without the P13 USB, just so we could pee off CG. Well, not pee him off, but prove him wrong. Because he was begging me to put that on. Yeah, put it back on. And I want to say to him, haha. It just obviously won't dock. Right, ready? Fluxy port still fluxy. Oh, may have five. It is working. I've got to sort out that port. It's too fluxy. But okay, see, no P13 USB and it still powers on. All right, so we could all tell him it doesn't matter. And touch is working fine now. Touch is working absolutely fine. So now I've got to put that back on though. One moment though, there was a cap very corroded near the battery connector. Really? Now sell it for the high price? Yeah. These V2 boards, I could only sell them. I sell them for £50 each, which they actually sell really quick. I've actually run out of V2 boards, but this has got to go through ultrasonic anyway. Right, near the battery connector, was there corroded cap? Hang on, let's have a look. Oh, there's a cap. My microscope's frozen again. Great. Hold on, guys. Having technical difficulties once again. One moment, please. Come on, man. Why are you not doing it? Oh, there we go. All right, we should be okay again. For how long? I don't know. Right, by the corroded capacitor. What, this one, Oscar? Or this one, where the end cap had come off? Yeah, I will replace it though. The first one, well, this one down here. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I will replace this one though. Oh, typical. I'm just pulling off the capacitor from a donor board off camera. All right, should I test the rest of this board, as in like the Joy-Cons, Wi-Fi, and docking? I know it won't dock at the minute because obviously the P13's taken off. Or do you want me to move on to an OLED board? Or a Switch Lite mod chip? Yes, please. Which one's that? What's the yes, please? OLED. OLED. I'll have to test this rest of it off tomorrow. Fix it all tomorrow. OLED. OLED. All right, an OLED board then. Let me just put this P13 back. Just leave that there. I'll put that up there. All right, an OLED board. I'm going to give you numbers. I have too many here. What? These aren't all OLED boards, are they? What? Oh no, that's a Switch Lite board. Hold on. Hold on. Bum, bum, bum. Five. Stop here. I've not even said number five. There's no five here. There's four. All right. One, two, three, or four. 20. Oh my God. There's not 20 here. One, two, three, or four. Two. Two, three. Oh, Claw Slug. Hello. Claw Slug, even. Sorry. Four. Okay, there's no duplicates yet. Four. Ah, looks like two. Oh my God. It's between two and four, I think. One, two, three, four. All right, we're gonna do two. I see more twos now than fours. There's three twos, I think it was. Yeah, two wins. All right. No idea what's wrong with number two. Oh, it's because it's really pink, huh? Another bad liquid damage. Ah, let's inspect the port to begin with. Port is dirty, but looks like it's fully functional. Lovely. Yeah, bit of corrosion on the battery connector. Love it. Loving that. Any missing stuff? We've got a bright pink label there. We love pink. Oh yeah, bit of corrosion down there. Lovely. Love that. Little specks here and there. Don't know what the hell that. What the hell is that? What? Oh, what's this? Oh, don't know what that is. Well, it's not there now. This looks a bit. Is that okay? Yeah, that's fine. I thought it was bent. It's not. Looking all good there. Lovely corrosion up here. That could be quite important. That's like the Max IC, one of the Max ICs, and it looks a bit corroded. Alright, so it's not too bad that side. Huh. Fuel gauge has definitely been eaten away at. Some weird colouring going on down here. Look at that beautiful blue. That looks nice. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. Oh, that's one of the fan ICs. M92. Oh, it's got the M92 on it. Bloody hell. That's corroded. So remember the parts that are corroded so we could fall back onto it. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't even know what that is. What's this for? I don't even know what this circuitry is for. That's bad. EMMC's there. This is the game card reader chip. No, it's not too bad. So first thing I'm gonna do is plug it in and see what readings we get. Hopefully you guys can see it under the microscope. Blue death everywhere. Yeah, two liquid damage boards in a row. Yeah, thanks guys. Right, what we getting? 15 volts, 7 milliamps. Solid 7, 12, 15. So do you know what I'm gonna do? Just to make life quick and simple. I'm gonna get the thermal cam out. 2 watts of power, that's almost drawing. Yeah, let's get thermal cam out, see what's pulling 80 milliamps, 70 milliamps. That might show something. Love how the corrosion goes to the most important chip. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? It's better when you have related cases because you have fresh ideas loading to your short-term memory. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna put you under this thermal cam. I've got to connect it first. Hold on. Right, thermal cam's connected. Right, here we go. What do we see? Right, there's something getting hot down there and something glowing up there as well. What is that? And down there. Is it down there or is it just heat from the board? No, that's diffused up there, isn't it? Right, that's that important chip that I said. Let me put my macro lens on. Yeah, yeah, that thing. That's that important chip. That's glowing. Look at that red line on the outside. That's like, hey, look at me. And then we also had one down here. Yeah, that little thing there. But I think that is due to up here. So we're going to ignore that in a minute because I think that's just a diode. So it looks like this is short. Maybe bad port again. Nah, not in this case, I don't think. It's this thing. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, blue screened. Now my laptop blue screened of death. This guy's here again. This is getting annoying now. So annoying. Seems to be. Oh, refresh. Yeah. Sorry, I blue screened. I think my laptop might be overheating, because the fans are going nuts. And it's only a laptop in it. Hey, Ventru. Yes. Back now. We are blue screened. Now I'm trying to connect my bloody phone up again to it. Urgh. Let's get into the interesting part as well. All right. We should be connected in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay. Why is that lagging? That's not connected through USB. Now you connected through USB? Yeah, it is now. Okay. So stressed. Right, so we were going to go under the microscope. Oh no, now that's not even working. Oh, hold on, guys. We hear but don't see. Yeah, you don't see. Can you see me? Somebody said we could see you. Claw slug. Can you see me? Not now, it's a black screen. I'm trying to swipe my microscope. Right, we're back again. Figure video. No. Black screen now. Alright, give it a second. Alright. Do you see this? My microscope's working now. So in the top corner back now. Oh, you do see me. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. So let's get this chip off. Actually, let's check the shorts around there first. Just to confirm when we do take it off, the short would go. We can see the board, but not you. Yeah, you can't see me. Don't worry about me. Right, have we got any shorts? I'll beep if there is any. No beep. Beep. That's fine. Beep. Beep. Yeah, we got a short there. So that is due to this chip. That is a short. So let's take that off and see if the short goes. Thing is with this chip, I don't have any. I'll have to take one off of one of these other boards, which is annoying. So I'm hoping one of these boards that I won't be able to repair. Ah, yeah, there's corrosion under there too. I saw all the brown stuff lift off. And yeah, I knocked that capacitor again. I like knocking them. The beep, yeah, the beep. I haven't made it really high pitch because I can't do that, obviously. Don't say it's eating away at another pad. No, it hasn't. I don't think it has. Or has it? I think it has. Think it's eating another pad away. That looks like a no connect or ground. That might be a ground. No, it is. It's still there. Just a bit oxidized, I think. Would you agree that's ground, guys? Chip should be okay, but corrosion was causing the short. You reckon? Let's have a look under the chip. I don't know. It looks like it's eating away. I know it's still there. Maybe it is just the corrosion. But let's see if the short has gone. I don't really want to reball this chip and then. Hmm. So do you reckon I should reuse the chip then, Daniel? I really don't like the colors on my microscope right now. It's very gold. Let's see if the short's gone anyway. I think there's a massive delay. Worth a try. Oh, I guess. Let's see if the short's gone. Right, I know this one is ground up here. Beep. Yep, there you go. And the bottom one, no beep. So that's fine. So Daniel recommends or reckons we should reuse the chip. I'm just gonna test this to see if it is ground. If it is, I'm not too fussed. Just looks a bit iffy to me. It's not ground. Let me read it in diode mode. Red probe on ground. And it is not ground. It's 0.063, so that is important. But it looks like the pad's fine itself. Let me just wick it away. Turn the board around. There. Wick it away. I'm looking at the board view and it says top left pad is connected to several places but not ground. Yeah, thank you.
DJ Russie Russ super chatted £3.86. I say reuse the chip.
Oh, okay. Thank you, DJ Russie Russ. Really appreciate that, mate. Really do. Reuse the chip. Okay. That's if it's not too damaged. See, that is weird. Don't like how that looks though, that pad. But it's getting a reading. Okay, we'll just leave it like that then. I see that I've scratched off some of the conformal coating, but it's okay. Oh my God. I don't like the microscope being like this. That's still not off properly, is it? What a day, what a day. I know. Okay, well, can't seem to get any more off. I'll do then. Now let's reball the original chip. See what condition this is in. Nah, it's gone. The pad's gone. Wait, no, it hasn't. Has it gone? Or was that just oxidized? Or erode, got some corrosion on it? Oh, it's still there. Okay. It's still there. Wow, try tricking me. Okay. Andrew Thompson, that wonky cap is. Yeah, all right, I'll sort that out. I will sort it out. I'll do it right now. Just before I reball this. I know, it is annoying me every time I see it. Hello, Andrew, by the way. Wish I had been doing repairs today instead of putting my concrete fence posts. Ooh, did you manage to finish it? I'm sorry if the microscope freezes. I need to sort out this colouring. I don't like the colours. Oh no, I don't know what it is. All right, it's like fuck it. I don't know. Something really tripping it. Maybe if I power it externally. Yeah, rest of the fence to do tomorrow if it stays dry. Fingers crossed it does. Hold on, I was trying to get my microscope working again. I even factory resetted the microscope thinking it was that, but look how that's so bright now. It's just silly. I can't even configure video. If I can't do it that way, aha. Hold on. Yes. There we go. Good. Now we've got some nice colouring going on. Now it's going to look nice again. Woohoo! Um, Now I don't have the stencil. Yes, I do. I do have the stencil for that. I see. This one? Yeah. Hold on, it's got to straighten up my mic. Not my mic, my microscope. Why did I have to name it very similar? Mic and microscope. Microphone, microscope. Confusing, right? For me, it is. Does microscope use USB-C or HDMI? It's using USB. It's like using the printer style cable for its power source and data, but I'm using HDMI to my TV. Oh my God. So I don't know if it's the cable that's playing up, but then my whole laptop's playing up. I might even do a factory reset on my laptop. Or check the temperatures, but I've not long repasted it. The fans are still going nuts. It's not meant for streaming. Does Microsoft? Oh yeah, I read that. Is this going to fix the OLED board? I hope so. Without replacing the chip. Just give it a little reflow. I'm gonna risk brushing it. It's not that tiny, so if I do lose it, I should be able to see it. Yeah, that's all right then. Underneath, give it a bit of a clean underneath. Yeah, perfect. Now, do you reckon there's enough flux on there already? I'll probably add a little bit more. Oh yeah, I was gonna sort out that capacitor quick. Let's sort out that cap. Beautiful. Yeah, it's all right. Sort out that bloody wonky cap. Oh, I just melted the fan connector. Look, damn it. There you go. Happy? All sorted. Oh, now it's upside down. Oh, come on. Sit down. Just gonna leave it like that, and hopefully it'll go into its position. I think you can fix 100% of the OLED boards. I think you can fix 100. You reckon so? Oh man. Oh my God. Oh, oh. Where's it going? Is that fine? I assume so. I think that's right. Hopefully the short's still gone. But thank you, JFix. I think maybe I can. You're welcome, Andrew. That was annoying me a little bit anyway. What makes you think that anyway, JFix? I still not even cleaned this board up yet. It's still got some liquid damage spots on it. All right, let's see if the short's gone. All right, ready? So top end is beep, beep. Yep, and bottom end, no beep. Oh my God, you were right. You're right, Daniel. So smart, man. I would have wasted another chip. Okay. We got great. Oh, we got great confidence. That's good. Right. Do we get a pull? Oh God, that's making some weird noises. They go tick 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 tick. Oh my God, what is that? Oh, it stopped now. That was making a noise, but it's not drawing anything now. That's good. Why was it making that noise? Weird. Yeah. Give it a quick brush down. Actually, the fuel gauge IC doesn't look too good, does it? A bomb. Yeah, it sounded a bit like a bomb. I'm gonna risk it and plug it in anyway. It's my testing OLED board screen even. If it blows up, it was nice knowing you guys. I don't think it will because that fuel gauge chip was corroded and the battery connector. Ready? Three, two, one. I'm still not drawing anything. The battery is connected. Is it reading the battery? Is it recognizing it? Yeah, it's reading nothing. Interesting. Not. It's like it's not recognizing the battery. It could be the liquid evaporates sound. Maybe. That's probably what it was. Do you reckon it's this? I'm gonna have to just brush down the whole OLED board, and yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it up. I'll even check the fuse because I've had it before where the fuse was actually blown. Thing is, it reads 15 volts, yeah, but the fuse actually is it this side? The fuse is actually gone. Come on. Yes, there's the fuse. Quickly check. Oh my God, look at the state of that. Is that melted? No, that's normal. I don't know. I guess it's normal. Not really looked into it. I don't know if that is normal, that black stuff. Right, we're getting continuity. No, yes, we are. So the fuse is okay. Ah. So why are we not pulling anything? Probably because of the corrosion everywhere. Just give the whole board a clean. See, that could be the issue as well. It's not detecting the battery because of that. Oh yeah, and down here, whatever this was. Right, okay, I think that would be clean enough. The fuel gauge was corroded, I remember. Yeah, that could be the reason why it's not giving a reading when the battery's in. Ouch. Oh, flip cam. What a mess. This whole thing's a mess. Hardly any room left. Okay, so if I just put the battery in for now, just to see if we get a read in. No, still not. Still not pulling anything. Do I follow voltage? See what's reading on the other side? And no, there's no point because it's not reading the battery. Hang on, hang on. Yeah, fuel gauge. I might have to change it. So if I try and follow the voltage, see if it is even getting to the fuel gauge, I think that's probably the best thing to do. So are we getting readings from the battery? Yep, 3.8 volts. Let's flip it around. There's still some corrosion down here. We're not getting anything here. Are we supposed to? No reading. 1.8 volts that side. No reading. No reading. 3.8 volts. Zero. Well, that's a bit of a weird one. 0.0. Oh, I can't get a reading on this one. It's hard. I don't know. 0 volts. 1.8. 3.8. I don't know. Free flow fuel gauge, see if then there's any change. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that. But considering how badly that was corroded, I think that's probably the next point of interest. Did it come from APU? Oh, sorry, Ventura. I don't know what you said before that, mate. How did it go? How did what go? Maybe boiling alcohol. Yeah, that probably might have been boiling. Reflavor. Yeah, cool. Right, let's see if there's any change. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. Plug in the battery in, see if it's pulling anything. Are we gonna get anything? Nah, I thought we wouldn't. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a new fuel gauge, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna end the stream after that anyway, because I've gone well over. So new fuel gauge. If that don't work, I'll continue it tomorrow. I've got a sticker on my button. It still doesn't look too good though, does it? Don't know. Let's get it off. I might have a spare OLED with the fuel gauge. Nah, that looks fine. What about the fuel gauge chip itself? Yeah, I'm not sure on that one. Oh, did the noise come from the APU? I'm not sure where it came from. I was kind of scared to put it right up to my ear in case it blew up. That's prepared. Just looking for an OLED board now. Hold on. Yep, and there's a fuel gauge on it. Lovely. Yeah, maybe. I'll have to have a look at everything. That's the problem with water damage stuff. It literally gets everywhere. Should cut this bit off, really. But it's still absorbing it, all right. Why does that look? Oh, never mind. Just a bit of dirt. Oh, I've lost the stencil. Oh, it's underneath the holder. It's just weird how literally it's not drawing anything. I really can't think what else that could be. M92? Again, I haven't really checked for shorts yet. I'm literally just plugging in and play. Could be a short on the M92. Could be a dead APU. Could be just wasting my time right now. Just cleaning up my stencils. 2 seconds. Right. Which way round do you go? The other way around. This way, I think, wasn't it? It's hard to see at this angle. I think that's where it goes. It's too fluxy. Just gonna go with it. I think it is. Alright, should I heat that up now? Hang on. I've got loads of donor boards here. I could just, well, not donor boards, but compare it. So it's just on that cap line. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, it looks good there. But is the right in the right way? Yes, I think. All right, let's just go with it. Hopefully it doesn't move. Really? That was right in position? No way. Or did it move? I must have missed it if it moved. Oh, imagine if it was BQ that's doing it. Would a switch still work without BQ? Maybe some capacitors on APU bad. Hmm. Oh, I think this one's had it. Gonna have to change it. It's just falling apart. Yeah, it's just tangled everywhere. Mm. All right, let's test it. It will not work without BQ. Because I've not actually tried to power it on normally, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I've not tried to power it on normally. I've only tried powering it on via the the charger. So that could eliminate it being. Let's have a look. We're getting a draw. Point 13, point 15. We're drawing, but not a lot. This isn't a dead OLED board, is it? Chest chassis. No, there must be a short on it now. But we are drawing something. Point 15, point 13, point 15. But my battery isn't flat. Let's plug it in. Let's have a look. Oh wait, that's the wrong chassis. Oh, yeah, that one might be dead then. Let's try this one. This is my OLED board. Oh, it's drawing nothing. What? So why did it draw something with this one? Point zero 0.07, 0.08, 0.012, 0.15, 0. Now it's gone back to 0 on this one. Yeah, it's not drawing anything on this one now. Okay, this is very odd. All right, let me see if I can just power it up normally then without charging it. 'Cause it might be something wrong with the charging circuit rather than the main board itself. It means I've got to plug in the battery connector. I can jump it manually. This is a weird one. Okay. First, let me see if it will charge with the necessities plugged in. Fingers crossed. Yeah, thank you. Ventry, why are you retracting your. Right, it's not drawing anything there, so let me just press the power button. Nah, we get nothing. Nothing at all. Stone cold. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. But I will figure it out. Quickly check the shorts. I thought you have a faulty battery, but I'm wrong. Yeah, they're my chest chassis. They're not faulty. Right, let's quickly go around for short checking. As we know, just gifted one membership. Thank you, DJ Rusty Russ, and it was gifted to Daz Heath. Thank you, appreciate it. Um, ah, we do have a short. Ah, okay. We can't leave this yet. We have a short on the main. Don't know why it's doing that again. That's being weird. Keeps doing that. We have a short here, so it could be BQ. Remember that chip was getting really hot. This, I think, don't know. It's a weird one. It's only, yeah, it is. I don't know if it's BQ or something else. I think it's BQ. Should we get the thermal cam out? Thermal cam. It's the easiest way to find the fault. So it is a fault. There is a short here on the inductor. Is the fuse short? No, the fuse isn't short. Oh, no, it's not. Yep, all right. Let's just wait, where did my other one go? What did I do with that wire? I stuck it on something else. What was it stuck on? Was it stuck on this one? I can't remember what I stuck it down on. No, where's my jumper wire? Damn it, I lost it. I soldered it onto something, but now I can't find it. It must have fell off. Damn. All right, I'll have to inject it using my multimeter. Okay, let me connect up my thermal cam again. I'm gonna have to open up the software. Bear with me. If it will open up again. Oh, it has. Nice. All right. Camera is connected. Just gonna move you a second to here, just so I can set up my bench power supply. Hold on. God, it's all over the place. I have literally wires everywhere. Hang on, I need to untangle them. What the fudge? Right, sort them out. Right, so black on ground. Stick it to, because it's a dead short, I'll do 0.50 again, or 500 milliamps. Connect it to my red probe so I could stab it. So I could use one hand. Oh god, this is going to be awkward. Like that. Okay, I'll have to do it like that. Right, here we go. Under the thermal cam. Oh, that's not it. There we go. That's my thermal cam. Hello. And injecting voltage now. Oh, is that thing up there still? It's still that chip. So that chip's still dead. Let's go into macro. There's still something wrong with that IC. Should have just changed it. Yeah, yeah. Damn it. It's still that IC. It's not hot anywhere else, is it? No. So all along, I should have changed it. Could be the diode beside the coil. It's that. That diode's fine. It's not even heating up anymore. It's pulling 2.9 amps. That's ridiculous. That's at 500 milliamps. 500 millivolts. Yeah, I've got a clear path to follow. Well, now I know what it is, and I think that will probably fix it. Um, I am probably, I don't know, I'm getting really tired now. Really tired. It is DJ's fault. No, it's mostly Daniel's fault. Yeah, it's Daniel's fault. He's the one that bloody said it. Do I change the IC again, or do I just end the stream now? I don't know what to do. I am tired. Pull the chip and see if it charges. It won't without that. The IC. I'll take the blame. Oh, oh, IC. Oh, pull the IC and see if it charges. Would it still charge without that IC? That's the main important one. All right, I'll pull the. I wouldn't vote to end the stream. What? DJ Rusty Russ gifted one membership to Clawslug. Clawslug, I keep saying your name wrong. Thank you, DJ Rusty Russ, and welcome Clawslug to the SER #1 fans. I really appreciate it. Thank you. What is the chip responsible for? I don't know. It's a power management IC for something. Oh, I guess I will pull it off. Just ignore that. It does it every time I change scene. But there's no shorts around it though. Maybe it's just faulty anyway. Now it's dead because it's shorted somehow. All right, let's pull it off, see if it charges. I don't know what the chip is responsible for. I've not looked on the board view. No, don't go out of focus. I need to see. Yeah. Although these two are joint, they're on the same track, so it's okay. Yeah, I won't knock the cap. I will not knock the cap. Not again. See, it's that same one there. I'm a bit dubious of. It's not really touching it, is it? It's not taking any solder. That top one. So no, that's obviously not causing the short. It was a failed IC. All right, let me see if it charges then, just quickly. Yeah, maybe. Oh, don't say that. Let me see if that short down here has gone quick as well. Yeah, see the short's gone now. Is there still a short at the top there? No, there's no short on that weird type. Hang on. Hang on. So the ones I'm getting beeps on is this one. No, this one? Yeah, this one. Wait, are they not joint? Oh, yeah, I'm not getting beeps. Getting beeps on this one. So this is ground, which is fine. They're all ground. They're not. They're not. And these are not. Yeah, so they're not shorted up here, and it's not short down here neither. Not now anyway. So it is definitely the IC that's failed. Let me see if it does charge. Okay. Does it now charge? Let's have a look. Keep rubbing the wrong board, but same battery. Hopefully you guys can see the ammeter. It does charge 0.51. Obviously it won't power up though, but it's charging the battery. Yeah, yeah, it's charging. It's charging the battery. Didn't think that would charge. Alright, let me get an OLED board. See, oh, I don't think I have got them chips. I've took them off. I'm gonna have to take one off of here, which is annoying. Let me see if this one's not short before I pull it off. I found that the chip manages voltage to the OLED display. It should boot without it. It should boot without it. If you test with the dock, it might even show a picture. I would get the reboot sequence though, wouldn't I? I would still get a reboot sequence. So 0.47, 0.48. No, it's just normal charging. It's not rebooting. Are you sure that's all it goes to? Is just the screen? 0.47. That seems like a normal healthy charge. I'm still going to put the IC on it now anyway. Hello, IC, my old friend. Oh no, I haven't even cleaned that up yet, have I? Damn it. I know, I forgot, Daniel. Too late. I'm useless. It's too late. Oh dear. I'll even leave the flux on there. Do you reckon I could probably get away with not reballing this chip? Let's have a look. Was it a clean pull? Nah, looks a bit shallow. I mean, maybe. I'll reball it anyway. Oh, thank you to everyone who's still here. Going through the pain that I'm going through with. Sorry, I'm so tired I can't even talk now. Going through the pain that I'm going through. and persevering. That's for sure. Please hit the like if you enjoying the stream. Don't like saying that. I actually don't know what it does with the algorithm. I have no idea how YouTube works. However, I would like to say that I did get my first payment from YouTube, which was really nice. Thanks to you guys. Well chuffed. I was like, oh my God, Google paid me. We're always with you. Thank you. I'm sad. Congratulations. Thank you. I still want that 1,000 mark, 1,000 subs. But I know I've not been posting up a lot of videos lately because they've all been blue screens. But I could do videos on these OLED boards now. Because I know these ones won't be blue screens because it's very rare you get blue screen OLEDs. I've not had one yet. I guess because their chassis are more durable, right? Not durable, durable. What am I doing? See, I've lost the plot now. Okay, here we go. Look at this mess. Left the flux on there, didn't I? Yeah, I'll add a little bit more. Well, look at that, perfect. You should have more subs. Not sure why people haven't found your channel. I don't know why. Think that needs to go right a little bit more. Don't know. Is that right? Oof. I don't know again. I think that might be a bit high. Let's look at a donor board. No, I've taken it off of that one. That's a light. Let's have a look. So it's on the line between the two gold bits and just on the edge of that top bit. So it needs to go right a little bit and down. Left and down. Left and down. Left a little bit. Like that. And down. Damn it, it's sticking to my tweezers. Do you know what that'll do? That might be a big fail. That was moving all over the place. Might be alright. Just got to check, see if the short's gone down below, down here. I'll make the beeping noise if it beeps. No beep. We're at 95 ohms, which I think it should be over 100 of some ohms, but the board's still hot. Oh, I am knackered. I wonder if this is going to work. Yeah, still fine. Is this going to work? This is it anyway for the stream once I test this. Because I need to go to bed. And I'll continue this tomorrow. Okay, so battery in, display in. Are you ready? Are we going to get a read in? Oh, it's fluxy in there, I think. We've got 51. Oh, we did it. Thank God for that. I'm so ready for bed. I'm so ready for bed. Oh, what the hell does that mean? What does this mean? It's crashed. Thank you, DJ Rusty Russ. Thank you. Thank you, JFix. Thank you. Yeah, I bet it works. Yeah, you would. Why did it crash for? Oh, never mind. I know why it crashed. I think this was shorting it out. Let's try that again. If not, it's the APU or something's failed. Sure. Alright, let's try that again. Seems alright now. I think that bottom shield was shorting some out. Thank God for that. Yeah, the shield was trapped. It was like hanging off. Thank you. Yay, I'm glad. Okay, have him back. Hey, Fix, thank you. It was a close call, yeah. Thanks, James. Thanks everyone who stayed here anyway to the end. A much longer stream than normal, but not bad fixes. Can't remember what I fixed. Oh yeah, that extreme water damaged. That needs to go in the ultrasonic switch and the switch OLED. Oh yeah, that had trace repair and everything as well, wasn't it? On the backlight. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 1-1, thank you for still staying here as well. Oh, it's got Mario Kart Live Circuit. I've never seen that on there. Yeah, that's cool. Well, thank you everyone for sticking around. And thank you so much, DJ Rusty Russ, for the gifted memberships and the super chats. And yeah, thank you for everyone who's just been amazing. Number 4 tomorrow, more liquid damage. Oh, tomorrow. I'm busy tomorrow. Yeah, night everyone. Thank you for tuning in. And sorry about all the technical difficulties. I don't know what's going on with my laptop or my microscope. But yeah, bye everyone. Night. You're welcome, Sean. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.